Do you want to mount an optic on your CANiK pistol? Well, watch this video first. So today I've got all the CANiK pistol, well, some of the CANiK pistols that are optics ready. So we're starting off with the TP9 SFX. As you can see, it comes with all the different mounting plates. We've got the Rival S, the METE, and the Combat. Now, all the METE pistols are optics ready. So let's start off with that one. So the METE pistols, they are all compatible with the MeCANIK MO1. Now, similar sights would be the Shield SMS. It's on the Shield or the RMS footprint. Now, the optic cuts are different, so if you're thinking of putting on a different plate or if you want to put a different optic on it, do know that the METE SF, SFT, SFX, METE SFT Pro, SFX Pro, those all have the same optic cut and footprint, whereas the older TP9 SF METE does not. It's a unique optic cut, but also the same footprint, as well as the MC9. So when you buy a METE, you will get two polymer plates that are included in the box. Now that, as you can see, the footprint is the four big little round dots to mount your MeCANIK MO1. It's got the same four little holes on the back of it. All right, so now you can also mount MeCANIK MO1 on any of the other pistols. You would use plate number 4 on the TP9 SFX and on the Combats, as well as the Rival and the Rival S. Now there is an additional plate that you could use to mount the MO1 on any of these pistols except for the METE, the ones that accommodate these different optic plates. Now that would be this little guy. This is the MMAC 556. It's a rear sight, so you can co-witness with any of these pistols that take the optic plates. Now, that's a little great one if you want to co-witness. Now, there's an additional plate that does not come with any of them, but we do sell them on canikarms.co.za. The code on this one is 190. So if you're considering mounting an Aimpoint Acro C1, that's the optic plate that you want to get. What's cool about this one, comes with built-in rear sight and high-rise front sight. All right, so a couple of differences that you need to understand is when you take a look at the Rival. As you can see, there's a large cutout and you are going to be losing your rear sight. So you literally remove the plate that has the adjustable rear sight or the rear sight on, and you replace it with one of these plates to mount the correct optic. Now on the METE again, that's different. It's only cut out to take a way smaller plate. And on the MC9, it will go straight onto the pistol. All right, so if everybody understands that, next up we've got the Rival Grey. Now the Rival Grey comes with the same four mounting plates that are included in the Combat and the TP9 SFX. However, with the Rival Black, as well as the Rival S, you do get an additional co-witness plate. That's the one I was talking about earlier. So that's a nice little extra that you get with the Rival Black and with the Rival S. Now, optic compatibility on the different plates. Now you got to understand its footprints. Not necessarily the optic cuts, it's the footprint. So these guns come with plate number 1 that can take your True Glow, Doctor, Meopta, Insight, and Vortex. Plate number 1 is also used for the MeCANIK MO2. Next up, we've got plate number 2. This is your RMR footprint. So it'll take Trigicon, Holosun 507 competition. It will take any sight that is compatible with the RMR footprint. including the MO3. Next up, we've got plate number 3. Not such a common one, but this is for your Seymour or your Lynx RDR2. That's plate number 3. And then last, we've got plate number 4. This is for the MeCANIK MO. Let me not lie. Yeah, this one is for the MeCANIK MO1. So it will also take the Shield SMS, the Leopold, the J-Point, and so forth. So I hope that explains everything. If I missed any sights or any other footprints that you know of, please put it in the comments below for people to know what sight fits on what gun or on what plate. So I think that's everything I have today. If you want to buy these different plates, go to canikarms.co.za. Thanks for watching. It's on you.